Hello everyone. Today I'll share a simple way to revive an orchid after it has finished blooming and been neglected, causing it to weaken and grow poorly. Just a few easy steps to help it recover. As you can see, the orchid spike is dry and the plant is not developing well. First, I remove all harmful and unnecessary parts.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
I remove the old root ball of the orchid to help reduce the chance of mold and disease returning. After removing the root ball, we can see the orchid roots are completely rotted and can no longer absorb nutrients. I will trim away all the damaged parts. Removing all rotten roots and the old root ball helps eliminate damaged parts, prevent the spread of fungal disease, and allow the plant to redirect energy into growing.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
To help revive this orchid, today I'm using garlic and dried tea. These simple ingredients can support faster recovery. Soaking the orchid in a mixture of garlic and aloe vera provides natural antibacterial support, helps reduce fungal issues, and can encourage new root growth. This method supports faster recovery and helps stabilize.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
After soaking the orchid in the garlic and aloe vera solution for about 30 minutes, I begin planting it. We use pine bark as the growing medium for orchids. It helps prevent waterlogging while maintaining stable moisture.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
To care for orchids that have stabilized, developed new roots, and are preparing to bloom, Using brewed dry tea can provide light trace nutrients and natural antibacterial support. It helps improve the growing medium and supports orchids in recovering. We use a soft tissue to gently clean the orchid's leaves and stems with brewed tea. This helps the plant absorb trace nutrients and maintain stable moisture.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.